Hello everyone, warm greetings to all. I'm Mr. A. Thavaraj, Assistant Professor from the Department of Management PG, Ratnam College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. I'm delighted to present my study titled Agripreneurship 2.0 Transforming Rural Youth into Agritech Innovators. This presentation explores how we can empower rural youth through the integration of agriculture, entrepreneurship, and technology to create a sustainable and resilient rural economy. Introduction. Agriculture remains the backbone of rural livelihoods in India, yet it faces mounting challenges ranging from climate change and low productivity to volatile markets. This is where Agripreneurship 2.0 comes in. It is an innovative model that fuses agriculture with technology and entrepreneurship. Our ultimate goal is to create self employment opportunities for rural youth by leveraging tools like AI, drones, and digital platforms in agriculture. Objectives of the study. In my research has five primary objectives, which is the first one to explore the transformative potential of agripreneurship 2.0 in rural economics. The second one, to identify key challenges rural youth face in adopting agritech. And the third one, to analyze existing government policies supporting agritech entrepreneurship. And the fourth one, to explore opportunities for rural youth in this emerging sector. And finally, to propose a sustainable innovation framework for rural agritech development. Key concepts. Agripreneurship 2.0 is more than just farming. It is a fusion of agriculture, digital technology, and business acumen. Here, what it entails: precision farming using drones and Internet of Things IoT sensors to optimize crop yields. The next one, AI-driven monitoring, leveraging artificial intelligence for real-time crop health analysis. And finally, blockchain, it ensuring transparency in supply chains. And what is the impact on Agripreneurship 2.0? It is a higher productivity, sustainability, and increased income for farmers. Challenges for rural youth. However, the road ahead is not free from obstacles. Infrastructure gaps, especially lack of internet and digital tools in villages, and financial barriers where young people lack the capital to start businesses. And finally, knowledge gaps due to limited exposure to modern agri-tech practices. And finally, market access issues wondered by middlemen and logistics inefficiencies. Opportunities. Despite the challenges, the opportunities are vast and promising. Agri-tech startups are gaining transition, especially in smart farming and digital agri-marketplaces. The Indian government is supporting these efforts through schemes like Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchaya Yojana (PMKSY), offering subsidies and grants to agri-tech people. There's also increasing global demand for sustainable and organic farming. Interestingly, our survey shows 65% of rural youth are interested in agri-tech careers and 70% are keen on receiving agri-tech trainings. Survey highlights. This slide presents visual data from our field survey emphasizing the strong interest and positive perception rural youth have towards agri-tech innovations. The factors are willing to explore agri-tech, the percentage is 65, access to smartphones, the percentage is 60, interest in trainings, the percentage is 70, and the financial as a barrier, the percentage is 50. These insights are vital in shaping our future strategies. And my recommendations are to turn vision into reality. We propose enhance digital infrastructure to expand rural internet access to enable connectivity, foster public and private partnerships to collaborate with tech firms and NGOs to scale solutions, offer financial incentives to introduce microcredit schemes for aspiring agripreneurs, provide education or integrate agri-tech courses into rural school curricula, and establish incubation centers to provide mentorship and providing to nurture startups. These steps can create an ecosystem where innovation thrives. Conclusion. In closing, Agripreneurship 2.0 is a powerful tool to empower youth, enhance productivity, and ensure rural sustainability. While challenges exist, they are surmountable with their right policies, education, and collaborative efforts. This is a call to action for all stakeholders, our governments, educators, tech providers, and communities to unite and scale agri-tech innovations globally. Together, we can transform rural landscapes and futures. Thank you for your time and attention. I look forward to an engaging discussion on how we can further this mission in future prospects. Thank you all.